rocks, Dad. Gotta wait first.
Come on. Come on, slow.
Come on. Yay. We are... Hey guys, it's me, LPS Melody here. We are doing fireworks and I'm like so excited. We're almost July. Doing this. Hello. So exciting. Yeah. I think that was a fail.
Where's the smoke at?
Oh.
What was that?
Kind of blue. It made the grass green.
Oh no, the grass is already green.
Oh, not that, but it's really cool. That's so pretty.
Don't go yet, Daddy. Oh. Will they make pink?
One more, Dad. It's really pretty.
That one's an ugly color.
Just look at it.
It's just white.
No, it's kind of yellow when it comes out. Any more? Oh, we're doing those too, guys.
Daddy hates it.
So look at the colors they made on the ground. I'm not. Don't even say my name. I just... Dirt.
These are snakes.
Dirt. I'm so excited. I love doing fireworks. Can you even light it? You light it.
Want me to go get you a new lighter?
Is that a fail?
No, that's a snake. Do you not see it coming out?
Oh yeah, that's cool. And kind of disgusting. What does it look like to you?
Poop.
It looks like. Look at it come out. What the heck? Look at that.
Yeah, do you see why they're called snakes? Do all of them. Do one colored one, Daddy. Did you do both black ones?
It looks like it's coming from the ground.
They know it's colored. So you just threw that one in and it's colored.
Oh, okay, that is like, that's really freaky. That's not even colored. What the heck? Bye!
Who was that?
Allie. Human mammal.
Hey, stop doing it like that. They're colored.
They're not colored, honey.
Yes, they are. They're called colored snakes. Did you do both of them? Daddy, no, I don't want you to do both of them. Don't throw that one in there, Daddy. That's a glowworm.
Yeah.
Let's see what it does.
No, not in there, Daddy, because then it will.
Okay, I'm done with the snakes. They're boring.
Daddy, do it over there so I can see it. Over there. Yeah, so we can actually see it.
I know.
Glowworms are they're supposed to be done in the dark. Only do one glowworm, okay? They're little tiny worms.
They aren't even glowing.
They're supposed to be done in the night, I bet. Ew! Ew.
Yeah, that's giving off the color. It's odd.
Yeah, it is. It looks like a green. Okay, I'm done.
Any more fireworks?
That's a hot car.
Any more fireworks, Dad? Dad?
I think we're done.
Okay, bye
till tonight.
guys. Bye guys.